Short squeeze or a bull trap? Find all that out and more in this video.
Damn hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy,
hustling, 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 every
Welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. And today, we have a banger daily market news and analysis. Mostly the analysis. All right. So what we're seeing, I've been saying this from the beginning. This whole analysis breakdown from the beginning, we need to back test 25,300, okay? Sooner or later, that is going to happen. It's either going to happen now, as in the next month or two, or it's going to happen in October after we went all the way up to 48,000. Sooner or later, we need a back test of 25,000. Now, we pulled a micro fib on this little top, this micro top here, and wouldn't you know it, look at where we came to almost perfectly to the 702. We still have the body is still in an uptrend. However, the wick came all the way up to the 702. This was a bear trap, short squeeze right here, followed by what I believe to be a bull trap. People are going to think that it's going to go higher, but ultimately I think I'm biased towards us rolling back over, back testing this prior range right here. But we'll see. I'm perfectly okay with a continuation because ultimately this still is a higher low as well as a higher high. So this is still an uptrend, as you can see right here, this little trend that we've been trading alongside of. We've been sort of snaking up, down, and over top of this. So a back test back here would be perfectly in the cards back down to 26. As long as 26,500 holds though, this is still kind of a continuation. I would expect us to go at some point to 25,300 in my opinion. Ultimately, I still think we're ranging along. We're still in the midst of the retracement. As high as the 618 at 48,000 is the likely high. It could go as high as 52,000. Now, let's compare. Let's take a look at the DXY. Oops, where's the DXY? Okay, so the Dow Jones right here, stern rejection on the Dow Jones. Huge sell-off today. Dow Jones down massive, which is interesting because all of crypto was up. The Dow Jones was down 4.26% on the day. That's pretty crazy. And the DXY still ranging here at the bottom end of the range. We found a little bit, and I said that this was still a downtrend with a lower high followed by another downtrend. So we'll see. This is at a very crucial level at where we're at right now on this line of support. If we break through 100.7, there is nothing. There is thin air. There is gaps in the market. And the same reason why I believe Bitcoin eventually at some point needs to come back down to 25,300 because of the gaps. The DXY needs to fill out this trading range back down to 99.3. And the last time the DXY was at 99.3 was back here in April of 20. That's a lie. The last time it was March of 22. And where was Bitcoin? The last time that the DXY was at 99.3. March of 22, right here, brings you to, guess where at? $48,000, okay? Some more things that I'm looking at right now. Gold at the top end of the range. Something is going to break. Like, we are getting to the finality, and the market is going to show itself as to what is what. But let's go to Bitcoin, where the cycle that I actually believe that we are at right now. So let's do a comparison side by side. So this is where we're at right now. This is this is over here on the left is 2022. This is all the crashing down of 2022, followed by 2023, bounce back up. Now let's go back over here and let's look at Bitcoin in the 2015 cycle, because that's where I kind of think that we're at. All right, so right here was the 2017 bull run, but let's go back even further to the 2013 bull run. Because I actually think structurally we're playing out very much more similar to this. So you have the parabolic rise, followed by the violent crash down. So parabolic rise over here. Let's just zoom out. Parabolic rise, parabolic rise. Violent crash down, violent crash down. Okay? Everyone thinks it's done. One more leg down. Everyone thinks it's done. One more leg down. Trading sideways in the depths of despair. Trading sideways in the depths of despair. Take it all back. Take it all back. Back test the prior range. Back test the prior range. Still actually kind of waiting on that from the true breakout. Okay. And look at, this was in a Shemitah. This retracement, which if you don't know what a Shemitah is, it is the 7th year. This was a Shemitah. This retracement right here. And look at where we got in 2016. Right directly in June to the 618. Let's take a look at the other cycle. It wasn't a Shemitah. Okay. Parabolic rise, crash down, violent crash down one more time, violent crash one more time, depths of despair, depths of despair. Take it all back in a matter of weeks. Take it all back in a matter of weeks. Back test the prior trading range. Back test the prior trading range. It's all the same. You have your spring. The spring in the 2015 cycle into the next bull run was right here. This was the spring. This was the spring. This was C19. Brings you into the next bull market. But looky here. Where did this retracement get us to? Back in June, yet again, directly on the 618. And if we come back over here, this is still why I believe before June is up, the 618 from this would bring you right here to $48,000 for Bitcoin. This is still my medium term target. Short term, short to medium, I'm kind of more bearish, but medium term, the next couple of months, I still think that Bitcoin is going to retrace fully. Everyone is going to say that the bull market is back on. We're going to be rich. But what it shows us is there's a spring. And that is what I believe October will be, is our spring. Sometime between September, October, and November, one of those eclipses will be the spring. Like so, which will bring us into the next bull run. This spring, I'm not really having a price target in mind, more of a structure that I'm looking for, will bring us into the next bull run. Okay? So that's what I'm seeing right now, you guys. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Make sure you like, subscribe. If you made it this far into the video, you are a real one, my friends. And the word of the day is going to be retracement. If you made it this far in the video, comment down retracement. I will shout you out as a real one. Make sure you subscribe on YouTube if I've added any value to you. If you're new here, follow me on Twitter at Guyasky. Follow me on Instagram at YourBoySki. YouTube at YourBoySki. TikTok at YourBoySki. All my links are in the description. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Peace, love, prosperity. God first. God bless. I'm out.
Damn, hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, 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 hustling.